more.
Where's some more eggs?
Some more eggs.
Let's find some
I'm
more.
good with this
Oh
one.
my goodness. Cheers. We lost her. That's it.
Ooh.
Come here.
Look, Jocelyn.
Look, your kitty has
Oh,
some.
I'm not telling. Just make sure you don't
So maybe we should have left
Oh,
them.
she can swallow those.
Oh,
If
yeah,
not,
she
the dog will eat them.
Hey, can we find some more eggs?
Look.
Look, there's more.
Look,
Jocelyn, what's over there?
What's over here? Look. Come look.
Gotta
There's
shake it.
more.
Can we put them in the basket?
Look, let's put them. Let's put them in the basket. Oh, Justin, look.
You want to hold it? There's
Look.
more.
There's more all over the place. We gotta keep them in the basket.
Look, Jocelyn.
I think if there were other kids running around scrambling, she couldn't get it.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh my.
Lauren, get her red felt
Here
basket.
you go.
She won't put it.
Hold it.
She's too busy eating.
Hold it. Okay, hold it. Carry. Put it in your basket. And keep them in the basket.
Good job.
What's over there? Are there more?
Put them
them
in
in
your
your
basket. Good job.
Oh
in your
boy,
basket.
she's
Oh,
getting
my
lots of eggs.
goodness.
Woo, woo.
Good
Breakfast for a
job.
month.
Look.
Are there more?
Justin, look. Oh my goodness.
Keep that in mind, Mike.
Fingers. Where's some more? Look around, there's more.
Whoa, there's
Oh, there's
so
more eggs.
many. Look, you even found some I couldn't see.
She's saying, see, there's Cheerios.
Uh oh.